Some changes on our way here as we're making our way into a stormy end to the week. You get to almost Christmas time and you're thinking snow, you're thinking ice maybe, but this is all rain for us. Some river and street flooding will be possible, as well as some damaging wind gusts, but snow and ice really not a part of the equation here. We're looking at temperatures that are above freezing, and we look down the eastern seaboard, 63 there in Raleigh, 63 in Jacksonville. That's where our air is coming from, straight on up, due south to north, and that should get us into the low 60s for tomorrow afternoon. So there's the big picture. It's all rain, and a lot of these spots in the east have already had their wettest year on record. In fact, this one will get us up to third place for the wettest year on record. Some lighter showers into parts of Berkshire County and western Connecticut. This first batch will be moving through, and with it, some lighter rainfall, but the main part of the storm arrives around 5 to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So tonight, just staying above the freezing mark and well above freezing around Boston and southeastern Massachusetts. There's that first batch of rain moving through off to the north and west. Here's the main show as we approach 5 a.m. This is our warm front. So this is the leading edge of that warmer air, widespread, moderate, to at times heavy rainfall. Then we'll get up to around 60 degrees, and we'll be watching a band of torrential rain, which is going to move from west to east across the area. Some thunder and lightning could be mixed in here, so pretty unusual stuff for late December. Midday, it's in western Mass and heading into central Massachusetts. As we approach the mid-afternoon and early evening, it's around eastern Mass, and then during the evening time is when you'll get most of your rainfall across Cape Cod and the islands. Tapering off to a couple of showers and downpours overnight. And then on Saturday morning, one trailing rain shower or two before we completely start to dry out across the area. Rain totals, widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain. Chance for 3 to 5 in a couple of spots here. The highest chance for some of those bigger totals would be in the foothills of the Berkshires, in Connecticut, and perhaps into Worcester County. Our lowest totals would be from Boston down to the Cape and the islands, but still over an inch of rain looks likely for those spots. How about winds? The peak winds late in the afternoon and toward the first half of the night. And the highest chance for damaging wind gusts is here in southeastern Massachusetts and up toward the Boston area. Best way to get those winds is with the temperatures getting above, say, 62, 63 degrees. Once you hit that point, the stronger winds above our heads can reach the surface. Also, in any thunderstorms that develop, they can channel those stronger winds down to the ground. It'll be gusty inland, but not nearly as strong as what we'll have there closer to the coast. Speaking of the coast, the south coast, a chance for minor flooding tomorrow. High tide between about 4 and 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. Minor coastal flooding is expected there. There are the highs, low 60s for many towns, which would set some new records for both Worcester and Boston. Record is 58 in Worcester, 62 in Boston. We'll be very close to those marks. Then on Saturday, we get back to normal. We'll start the day in the 50s in the morning. There won't be too much wind early, but as we head toward midday in the afternoon, the colder air will sweep in, will fall through the 40s, and that gusty wind will make it feel much chillier outside. Sunday's calmer. We'll have bright sunshine, temps reaching the lower 40s, a nice winter day. But if you are traveling this weekend, no real concerns out there. The weather will be quieting down in terms of any rain or snow. And for the Patriots, good shape here. 30s for the tailgate, lower 40s at kickoff, and near 40 in the fourth quarter. There is still a chance for a little snow before Christmas Day. We're watching that clipper still, which will be moving in Sunday night into Monday, Christmas Eve day. A chance for a few rain and snow showers with it. Doesn't look like a lot of snowfall, but a chance for some flakes in the air before we get to the holiday, and maybe that's how you like it. Won't cause any travel issues, but just enough snow to make it feel the way it should here around December 25th. And for Christmas, about 39 degrees, sunshine, looks like a quiet day and a mostly quiet week until Friday. David and Lisa, back to you.